how to change the keyboard size to make it bigger or smaller on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, from the settings page, we then scroll down, and in here, tap on General Management. Next, tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Now we scroll down and then tap on size and transparency. Next, to change the size of the keyboard, you can drag on the top handle here to make it taller or bigger, or to make it smaller. You can also make it more narrow or wider. If you want to reset it back to the default, tap on the reset button, and this is the default size of your keyboard. After that, tap on the done button to save the changes. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.